something deep inside that keeps my faith alive. We are healing, but it's killing us inside. Can we take a chance when faith and fear collide? We can make it, step out and take it. We can't live feeling so numb. How long can we hold on? Can we hold on? Hold on. There's something deep inside that keeps my faith alive. When all you can do is hide from the fear that's deep inside of you. Something, 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 something to hold me close when I don't know. There's something deep inside that keeps my faith alive. There's something deep inside that keeps my faith alive. When all you can do is hide from the fear that's deep inside of you. Something, 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 something to hold me close when I don't know. There's something deep inside that keeps